Alright guys, so our windows are actually finally here, and yeah, so let's see how we are going to install them on this small cottage here in Kahale village, right here in Africa. Okay, so from wherever you're watching from, my name is Samson, the roadman, and I'm super excited to be here today because like I told you guys like some time back, like we are done with the building and stuff, but now what is remaining is the windows. So the guys are here, and yeah, we're going to be actually putting the windows, installing the windows, but then later on we are going to work on the glasses which we need to put. So yeah. Oh boss, mwakache bino bwe kama abache bali kuisa abache bali kuisa
abache oh kama chupa tu wale kuma ntwenu
leo na namba tayari na phone tayari. Okay, nice. Alright guys, so let me just help the guys with offloading. Yeah, let me do this. Offloading guys, offloading. Offloading. I'm going to put this through a floor. Directement.
direct
Bakariche ikokosa.
baya ikokosa kiende kumbuka
Hapo guys ndio kila patatu. Kwa sababu
Chivelo.
Chique so. Oh, ya mkati.
Jamu la mushe.
Mawindu mayanda byonse. Hey guys, so we're here and this is going to be our door frame for this, the grill door I mean. Yeah, this one. Let me show you inside. We've started like the installation and Mr. Jonathan is here with us today. You can see. Only that, you know, like in the Zambian way, when builders are building, they don't give you like, don't measure like the windows accordingly. So when installing, you have to do a bit of chiseling here and there, as you can see. Yeah, so this is what is going on here. And these are the two big windows for the sitting room. Yeah, as you can see, we had to cut here for the windows to fit. Okay, you can see because it wasn't like straight. Yeah, so that's and over here the kitchen window is being fixed just now. Kata nomor.
Yakili nyamisha.
Yeah.
Ichi ata.
Ayaki. Apafuti vena mwa.
Na ikata unzai.
Okay, the kitchen grill door is right here. It's a kitchen grill door. And then on this other side, we have already. This is going to be just the frame for our bathroom. Okay. So how it's going to be this one. This is going to be like the door. This one, which will be here, and then this side we are going to put like a mirror over here, guys. A mirror on this side. So while you bath, you'll be able to see yourself in this mirror over here. So it's going to be a big mirror on this side. Yeah. In the bedroom, first we have this door frame here. The door frame is specifically for this one over here, and then we've got the two windows, the 120 and another 120 here. So this one is going to go here, and the other one is going to go there. Yes guys, so that is what we are doing right now, trying to install windows right here, of which I'm super excited. And yeah, I love the way they were made so far. I think they are good. They look perfect. Yeah. Alright. So this one has been fitted. We just have now to make darker, guys, to cover all these walls here. All this has to be covered. So we're going to use a concrete. We're going to use like the quarry to make to cover these instead of the building side. We're going to use quarry so that it's strong. This is it. This is how it is. So